Happy Saturday. Look, it's raining, but not heavy. It's just a little drizzle. So, teacher got itchy butt.
Upset teacher, upset student.
He got itchy butt. Itchy, not itchy finger. Itchy butt that can't sit at home. And we're here. This is, I think, Livermore already, right? Livermore.
No, Pleasanton.
Oh, Pleasanton? Oh, my bad. It's Pleasanton, California. And you guys hear the rain sounds? Don't say anything. Don't call us any name, okay? But if you hear the rain sounds, that means God is peeing on us. And we're heading out to Bethany Reservoir to catch some rain and wind fevers. Still early right now. There's no sunrise because of the rain, so it should be sunrise by now because it's 6 o'clock already. But
6:40 with it.
6:40?
Yeah.
Darn it. I was up since 2, so I can't even tell the time anymore. Okay. Follow up later. Yo. Can you guys see something over there? The windmill is spinning and it's moo.
Goes.
No rain. I can see that is no rain. So
Coming soon. No, មានមនុស្សបាត់ហើយណា
មានមនុស្សមានតៅ
No rain coming soon.
Okay. Security just come back. So that means we're safe to go in. Where's Bethany sign? Where's Bethany sign? Come on. Show the Bethany sign. Bethany Reservoir. Right here. Wow, you too fast. You are so fast.
Leah,
I think I'm clearing up, but the branch blocked the view. Ah, Mr. Catman is here. Here's the Catman. He the one who always bring the food for the cat. Here we go. Arun Susday. Good morning. Hey, good morning. Look. No rain and no people. Where's all the hardcore peoples at the cliff? Nobody there. Nidor. ZX9 Yuki cycle, okay? So that's from Japan. Nobody's here. And no wind. Where is the kchal? The kchal doesn't like teamwork យើងទៅ
មិនអើអាកូនសិស្សអត់ប្រៃរត់ចោលលោកគ្រូអើយលោកគ្រូមកបាត់នេះម្នាក់ឯង
No wind.
អាកូនសិស្សវាតពុលយ៉ាហនវានៅ Sherman Island.
Oh yeah, that's what I heard. You told me that they went to Sherman Island to go catch the big monster that Oliang lost last week. They're chasing after the monster that lost last week. And when I say monster, you guys know what is that, right? Sturgeons. And look, nice and calm, no wind, no sun to bother my head, my face. And let me try to zoom in a little bit. Wait, give me a minute. I'm trying to zoom in to the end. I see one stroller and I see there's other people at the other side near the tree. So one red truck with the boats are coming in earlier behind us. So I assume that, or my people.
Real color red.
Oh, you want to show your rod? Show off?
Red color, right?
Yes, Raider Nation. Raider Nation.
មិនអាថ្ងៃនេះបានអត់ Raider ហ៎ កុំឲ្យខ្វាក់ដោយ Real Raider បានណាអត់ភ្នែកភ្លឺខ្លះ
Call a touchdown, don't call a fumble.
Yep.
or oh នេះភ្នែកគោគ្រាន់តែកលេសឃើញដងកងកបន្តិចស្មានត្រីទាញមិញរំភើបបន្តិចទៅដោយវាស្ដែងពេកទេ Make it a field goal or a touchdown, it doesn't matter. Field goal small, touchdown big.
ឲ្យកូនសៅវិញញាក់សាច់បន្តិច
Let's go Raider. Look at where we at. Nobody's here. Everybody fall asleep at Sherman Island.
Sean say coming.
Sean?
Yeah.
Don't know yet. And there's somebody's walking in over there. Look. Look, somebody's walking in. To the other side. Right there. I think if I zoom a little bit more, I can see people walking in. There's a couple that's walking in right there. But can't tell who it is. But they have a stroller. So it must be Asian. Miền Khol em mình tích thế. Hay plieng có ọt miền.
ក៏សើបដៃ
Sam đây ta bị plum ta. Tê và đa nôm đã ta bị plum. Ở lâu smile đi. ọt miền Khol. Họ miền ngay cầm đau để tha thôi ở chữ cấp áo vơ một ấy ọt thế. Srul. Xua thật ta chết tê. ọt tê. Ta complete áo là nghĩa đó bà này. Yo yo. Yo yo. Nhông có bông ở tha hai Sean. Nói chua bấy, nói chua bấy. Good eye. Arun so sдай sen. Bang Sean.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Sean
Bang Sean came to see the dog sa tu nyo. Ọt đặt đón nó sực chất chi căng mà mơ. Nào tôi cái bài kia nè người đang. Cái tròn ọt.
បងឯងចាំមើលថា
មិនថ្មហ្នឹងទៀបឯណា
អានេះតម្លៃវា
បើថ្មទៀបចាំនិយាយថាចាំមើលសិន
ហើយជាជិត350
ដុំហ្នឹងណា
ប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំទិញពីគេយូរខ្ញុំទិញមក
Okay first start he lost one and then the second
Net.
net or not
កុំតន់ចូលទៅជ្រៅពេក
អត់ទេ
ខ្ញុំទៅប្រាក់ទីដួសកាន់ដួសយូរហើយ
នៅស្ទួយក្បែរគ្នាអី
ទៅទៅរកត្រីសមុទ្រ
អូទៅរកត្រីសមុទ្រណា
នៅខាងនោះ
ចឹង
មានក្បែរមានអី
មើលមុខតិចមក
ចាំផ្លេតចឹងចាំខ្ញុំទៅបើកគូតឡានយកត្រីសមុទ្រឲ្យ
ហោមុខបងឈនចង់ឃើញមុខអានេះ
បងឆនខាន់អូសត្រីយូរហើយ
ប៉ាល់ដល់
អូយក្បាលធំម្លេះ
អូត្រូវអានឹង
អាហ្នឹងអាសឡមកជូរហ៎
ជូ
ប៉ាល់ធំយ៉ាងកតុយអា
លើកដែរ
លើកើត
Good start
ស្ងាត់ឲ្យឆឹងខ្យល់មិនដឹងវាដេកលក់ដឹង
ខ្ញុំវាមិនដឹងខ្យល់ទេ មកនេះអត់ដឹងខ្យល់នឹងស្គាល់ទៅកាលណា
អត់ដឹងថាខ្យល់ទៅណា
ខ្ញុំឲ្យមើលនេះសិន
អូយយាយថ្ងៃ Look at the sun is up and the wind is fall asleep
យកឯងពេញចិត្តខ្ញុំតាក់ទងណាស់ហើយ
CC go CC go Woo
quay chăng á.
អូវាហើយពេក
No, tao đi tao bên này.
ធ្លាប់ហ៎
Yeah, we are playing tao chơi we are star này tao bên này. Tao nó có bao nhiêu style nâng chả. Yeah, con
But
đi
it's gonna go high
It's high but it go down.
អូ
Yeah, ពីប្រុសដល់ពេលខ្លួនឯងក៏បីដល់មុននោះវាជំមុច
ដល់មុនទៀតដៃ
អត់តាន់ start
ខ្ញុំអត់ក៏បីខ្ញុំក៏បីចេះដែរខ្ញុំក៏បីផ្សេង
He need to warm up
ដៃកម្លាំងវិចារអាចចឹងបានគេថាអត់ទេមិនមែនយើងក៏បីមិនអាងកម្លាំងឯងសោះ
កម្លាំងវិចា
តើតឡាននេះទៅយកអីវ៉ាន់ណា
ទៅយកអីវ៉ាន់សិន
តើខ្ញុំទៅដែរ Look that's my teamwork right there so nobody at the cliff the husband and wife at the cliff they just got here I know huh nobody at the cliff and at the upper deck is Sean. He ran away from us too. So we're over here 3 corners right now. The teacher in the center and both of the students are on the side. Good morning, Mr. Teacher.
Hello student អាប្រៃតើណាមានអាណាខលសួរតុកលោកគ្រូមួយម៉ាត់សោះតើណាបាត់អស់លីពលយ៉ាហនចេតរយអស់ដល់
That's not nice. Look at that. Nice and calm. But when I look in front of me, 2 of the windmill is spinning, but can't tell where's the wind coming from. From where I'm sitting, I don't feel any breeze. Just don't shower me. There, Yo-Yo is pulling in. Bongshan is pulling in right now. Pana, kaba. He's a kaba thom. It's a bullhead catfish. He's at the other cliff at the aqueduct side. Fish number 2 for teacher. Today is pretty slow. The weather's ugly. And the fish doesn't want to eat too. Maybe they want to take a nap. À nâng đọc rập mà chạy krán này. Slow, slow.
Chạm lắc bay khai cái lá hai pria.
Lư con xa xài chùm ọ mà bị chùm ngay vậy.
Yo yo yo.
Lư á. Có thả bắn xây kế mày nhớ. Mày đê, ở đây bắn năng ở nhôi mà với ngang nhảy, right? Ý, trong mà này tích mà lá. Mày rồi thay sáng. Ôi.
Chmui nè ná, chmui lục cru à ơn. Môi, bay. Yo 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 yo.
Look. You gotta like it. Why are you coming so close?
But man chất mấy cái rate cả.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
What? You got like my logo? The symbol? My son make it for me. He put it for sales at Etsy store. ETSY store. So you guys can check it out under Brian Yep.
Bong shot nó khá nó sắp phal. Còn nữa. Hãy bong chươn nó. Chầm tiền lai lai này nói. Phá nhà clip á. Nó cru nó lơ tao nộp bằng lọ. Hai kháng krau này phùm sắp bao. Công chai ta hèn. Tê sắp hiệp kháng krau này sợ sắp bao nữa. Nó phùm sắp bao chứ nó nâng. Mơ mấy cho bong phone. Mệt ơi ơi mệt. Cầm khmau khlang pek. Nhom prui na na.
Try to buy fish number 3 and the teamwork run away from us. Mình xem tàu hai đó là cáiសាលារៀនណាtoànដល់ទេកុយណាលឿនម្លេះទៅមលាគ្នារួចវាចាប់គួរសមដែរតា slow maybe because of the rain. Now my teamwork is running away from me and they're heading out to Point Pinot because they have the leftover bait that they bought last week. They have 10 bait left, so they want to go finish it over there. But I don't know what changed their mind to come here this morning if they make a decision to go over there. That's a waste of a gas. Bà thông mà bà rồi. Bà thông. Ồ.
Bà thông với salad.
Ô, bà thông với salad đấy. Để con chặt ra thà bà con thông với salad.
Bà thông với salad.
Các bạn này bà sân trên nè cái chơi chặt kho bà học đôi mình xem cái thà kho bà học á. Tờ xong chặt hai.
Kho bà học.
Mùi mùi. You mùi.
Come in nói.
You mùi. Look at the bait. That's the bait. Not your hand, but the bait.
See?
Yep.
Bait.
Little guppy head. Okay.
Đòn lục cru chẳng ai you mau.
You mùi. Mình plieng nè. Hả? Mình men plieng té nè. Đây prẹ prẹ. Đôi miênទឹកស្អីសាច់មកលើមុខ Looks like a little sprinkling. Let me go back my stuff. Bay.
เนี่ยบ้านน่ะชาวต้องโต๊ะนอนนั่งเอาไปทำไปซีเป็นละงี้
Ở đây cái nằm chơi.
Yeah.
Ồ, nó mới kia nấu dẫn à?
cái nó đâu sang này ta
Kia nấu nó cũng như là kia nấu chửa.
yeah ប៉ណ្ណាខ្លួនឯងទៅផាដើមឈើធំនេះទៅនឹងខ្លួនឯងដឹកឡើង
They release the water in, but it's very slow.
Slow today.
I know they release the water in already, but no action.
ពេលល្ងាចប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំមិនដែលទៅទេ
Đấy, bỏ trên bí cho tay hay giờ.
ចាញ់នេះទៅផ្ទះហើយចូលទៅបាន3ហើយនៅសង្ហប់lạiបាន2ឯទៀត
See you.
Yeah.
ហាក់អីក៏
Can you guys see the rain? Look, 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 look. It's an ugly, ugly, ugly clouds above us. And it's not drizzle. It's called likely rain. Likely rain. Without the gear, yeah, you're gonna super soak. So this is not called drizzle or shower. It's called light rain. Because it's sure pour down on us.
ចុងឆ្នាំបងចាំមើលដ
Now, look at that. And there's more people are coming in. It's raining, but it didn't stop the fishermen to come in.
a lot of car
And inside, still a lot too. All the way to the left-hand side, there's a lot of people over there too. At the cliff, my team worked back out, and somebody's in. And can you hear the wind and the rain? Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa! Let me lay my umbrella down. Cừu nhầm này em chạy phong lộc ơi.
កុំចេះតែហ៊ានអាកូនសាលោកគ្រូស្កាំង
Bay nâng cừu nhầm á sừng khai. They make it to the house. They make it there on time.
Yep. They build the house on the other side.
They make it there on time. When they walk from here, it wasn't pouring that hard yet. Now it started pouring hard on them.
You see two houses over there? See that? See another house? Empty.
Because
Available, you know?
you want to go claim for it? You want to go there? Go. You can go.
My student.
I'll be here by myself. Ơi, mừng hành. Liêng. Mơ.
បងស្រីកាត់ទៅពីណូលចុះដល់ចេញពីឡានភ្លៀងនោះលោក
Mình ơi, mình. Mình lúc cừu cho ta cọ lạc về ăn phliêu về mình cho vì lan. À cọ dạng ní. Mình ban tàu khuôn anh đã tân hê ai con sa đào hà phliếng. Khuôn anh coi sao này anh ọt chân. Not a good day today. Look at this. Only 3. The weather's ugly. Look. Ugly, ugly day. I think that's good enough for us today.
Yep. More hour there.
3 is good enough for teacher to eat. Show off your student. Hmm?
សាច់ច្រឡំចុចមក
Over there? À, bà lưថ្ងៃហ្នឹង when you need it, it លឹបចូលទៅវិញ Come on. Where's the ថ្ងៃ go? When I need the sun went inside. Oh, you skunk? ល្ងឹតឈឹង Why is it dark? Because of the weather?
យ៉ាហ្នឹងណាវិញ
Come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Let's eat some more so I can go home. Ooh, skunk day. 3 is nothing. It's like skunk, right? Right?
Teacher never skunk out
Never skunk out. That a best skunk. Don't tell no one.
តែប៉ុណ្ណេះដល់កមកជូរគ្រឿងណាជូរគ្រឿងដាក់តកួនកន្លះគីឡូ
Is it my finger in here? I didn't even see that. Huh. That's weird. Yeah, I think my finger was in earlier. Goodbye, everyone. ជម្រាបលា 3 is considered skunk to me. 3 is nothing. 3 catfish is nothing.
Good for teacher
Good for you, but bad for me. So it's more like a skunk, everyone. Not a good day. So Bethany is like skunk today. Not a good day. So maybe because of the weather, it's not good. And the tide, the water's in. They just released the water back in, but it's kind of late now. Past noon already. I don't want to take times no more. So maybe I will go try for striper again. Let's see.
better than stay home okay bye bye
Bye. That's it. Goodbye from Bethany. Goodbye from Bethany.